3 of the trial of State Trooper Brian North. He's charged with manslaughter in the shooting death of 19-year-old Mubarak Suleiman, who led police on a 30-mile chase from Norwalk to West Haven in a stolen rideshare car. News 8's Brittany Taylor is live at Milford Superior Court now with the very latest. Brittany?
Good evening, Dennis. We heard testimony from numerous police officers who were steps away from Brian North when he opened fire at Suleiman in 2020. One of those state troopers deployed his taser seconds before Suleiman was shot, and he told the court today that his actions were justified.
Jackson, go to taser! Taser!
Body camera video shows Trooper Brian North telling his colleague, Trooper Joshua Jackson, to deploy his taser on 19-year-old Mubarak Suleiman. Suleiman was subsequently shot by North, who was standing on the driver's side of the stolen Lyft vehicle.
Reaching into his waistband.
Jackson telling the court Wednesday he took those actions during the January 2020 altercation because Suleiman had a knife on him and that he feared for his safety.
You could have been killed with that knife.
Correct.
The West Haven officer could have been killed with that knife.
Correct.
But Inspector General Robert Devlin pressed Jackson on why officers did not follow state police felony stop procedures and why they didn't attempt to de-escalate the situation first.
Was any effort made to de-escalate the situation with this stop Hyundai?
We're typically trained that de-escalation can only be done when feasible. I did not feel at that time it was feasible.
A West Haven police officer who broke the vehicle's window prior to the shooting told the court no one was in command at the scene.
Each officer was kind of acting on their own?
We're working together, yes.
Okay, all right. Toward what?
To hopefully take that person into custody.
Cordell Miller says he witnessed the pursuit and subsequent altercation after Suleiman's vehicle had slammed into his Chevy Trailblazer near exit 43 in West Haven.
Pretty much blacked out after being hit and then hearing the shots seconds after being hit.
Okay.
So processing everything.
How much time would you say elapsed between your being rear-ended by the white car and hearing gunshots?
Just a few seconds, less than 20 seconds.
Now, it was a very difficult day for the Suleiman family, who had to sit through audio of those gunshots being fired from that body cam video. We saw a couple of members of the family with their head in their hands as that was being played. And we're being told that the state could potentially rest its case as early as tomorrow. There's also expected to be discussion around whether North himself will be taking the stand in this trial. We're live in Milford tonight. Brittany Taylor, News 8.